Hello there. Today we will be doing two-sum number 2. This is part of our Neetcode series, number 37. All right, so this particular problem gives us a sorted list of integers, and we're trying to get the target, and we need to do this in O of n space, O of 1 space and O of n time. The way to do this is to have a left and right pointer and move them closer and closer to each other until the point at which they are going to be equal to the target. We are guaranteed a solution, and how do we make sure that we know that we have the answer and that we do not skip over any items, is that if the total that we currently have is less than our target, then we'll increase, otherwise we'll decrease. So this is L, this is R. This is currently 17, so it's greater than our target of 9. So we're going to have to decrease R to 11 and check that number. Well, it is also greater than 9, so we reduce the R, and now we have 9. So you might be wondering why maybe we would skip over a digit, but we will not skip over any digits, because if it is like less than, if the number is greater than let's say 22, or I mean it must exist, but the point is that if it's going to be a bigger number, it has to have become a bigger number. Like it cannot be any smaller. And if it's a smaller number, it has to be the right has to be smaller. So in that way, we know for sure that we're eliminating the unnecessary number. And at which point, yeah, so I think that I should answer your questions. If you still do not understand, please ask me your question so that I can be more clear about it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna have a left and the right. So let's empty this out. Left and right pointer. So the left starts at 0 and the right starts at length numbers -1. So while left is less than right, we're gonna keep going. So let's say the total currently is equal to numbers of L plus numbers of R. If total is less than target, so we need to make our number bigger. So L is going to plus equals 1. Else, if total is greater than target, that means we need to make the item smaller, so R -1. Else, that means that's we are currently good. So we need to return R and L plus 1. The reason for that is because we're starting at 1 instead of 0. All right, so with that, we should be good to go. Return empty array if we don't find anything, but I don't think that should be the case. And let's submit. Right, I don't think there are too many questions here about what's going on. It's just simple two-pointer solution. I think that should be all. When you're coming into contact with pointer systems, remember that you have a left and right pointer, and once they cross each other, you have run out of, I guess, possibilities to get the correct answer. And with every movement of the pointer, we are eliminating like possibilities that are not very useful to us. And that is exactly what's going on here. Okay, well, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.